The National Coordinator for the International Network of Religious Leaders Living with or Personally Affected by HIV and AIDS has urged the government to empower the Department of Social Welfare to discharge its duties properly in fighting against early marriage, teenage pregnancy, and sexually gender-based violence in order to reduce the menace.
That about 38 million people across the world live with HIV, of which 1.8 million children under the age of 14 are living with HIV. The number of new infections increased by 72% in Eastern Europe and Central Asia. In Ghana, out of the approximately 30.8 million population, 346,120 are reported to be HIV positive, with new infection of 18,928 in 2020. In order to create awareness not only on the stigmatization of HIV and AIDS, but also sexual gender-based violence, early marriages, and teenage pregnancy, the International Network of Religious Leaders Living with or Personally Affected by HIV and AIDS, Inerela, has been created to sensitize the public. A national coordinator for Inerela Ghana, Menace also urged the government to empower the Social Welfare Department to discharge their duties properly in order to help reduce teenage pregnancy, early marriage, and sexual gender-based violence.
Government should empower social welfare departments to work, because the social welfare departments are not working. And when you say this thing now, they come and fight you. They are not working. Imagine the social welfare in Ablikman Central says he doesn't know Inerela exists. But we have been in existence. Formerly we were with Kaneshi. And when we moved, because we found nowhere, we went to the regional office to go and register. So they should also go around and talk to people to know what is going on around them. And then if government is helping social welfare department, they will be strong to help those to work.
She further entreated parents to help their children to grow and not to be a hindrance to their growth by giving them out for marriages at tender ages.
Imagine you going to marry an 80-year-old girl. She doesn't know how to cook, can't even keep herself. So if you bring such a girl into and this happens in communities where, in the fishing communities, in our Muslim communities, it is there. We give our children, the moment we see them develop breast, we say they are old, then we give them out. A child carrying child, a baby carrying baby. This little girl should be in school. Currently, we have a 12-year-old who has delivered. The first time they gave the baby to her, she broke the rib. So we went on admission. And imagine, the money that could have helped the mother go back to school was used to pay hospital bills. Because parents don't have, they were fighting. So we had to step in and go and help. Now what to eat is a challenge. So please, and as for child marriage, me, I don't know what to say now. I don't encourage it. But let the child be a child. Let her grow first. They are grown up walking on the street looking for men to marry them. But because they have children following them, that is why they are not marrying them. And they deliver when they are children. Currently we have 27-year-olds who are grandmothers.